Did you know that one tiny lighting habit in your home can make you biologically age 10-15 years faster than your actual age? Welcome to Senior Health. Today we're exposing a truth most doctors will never tell you. Modern artificial light is the silent number one enemy that's robbing you of melatonin, the only longevity hormone your body naturally produces. When melatonin gets destroyed night after night, aging accelerates overnight. Wrinkles deepen, bones weaken, memory fades, and the risk of cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's skyrockets. Harvard University and the Karolinska Institute in Sweden have proven that just 2 hours of evening exposure to blue light from phones or LEDs can suppress melatonin by up to 71%. This isn't just about sleeping poorly anymore. It's about literally shortening your lifespan every single night. People over 60 are especially vulnerable because natural melatonin production already drops up to 80% after age 60. If you're still making the 6 common lighting mistakes that 90% of seniors commit daily, no amount of healthy eating or exercise can fully protect you from rapid aging. So here are the 6 lighting habits that are destroying your melatonin and aging you overnight, and the simple fixes that can reverse it. Secret number 1. Using your phone, tablet, or watching TV within 2 hours of bedtime. The blue light peak at 460 to 400 mm from screens suppresses melatonin twice as hard as ordinary white light and tricks your brain into thinking it's still broad daylight. A 2022 study in sleep medicine showed adults over 65 who used blue light emitting devices before bed had a 4 times higher risk of chronic insomnia and 38% faster hippocampal atrophy, the part of the brain responsible for memory, in just 12 months. Secret number 2. Using cool white LED bulbs, 5,000, 6,500K in living rooms and bedrooms. Most cheap LEDs flood your home with massive amounts of blue light after sunset. Researchers at Monash University in Australia found that turning on 5,000, 6,500K lights after 7 p.m. cuts melatonin by an average of 55% in people over 55. Even worse, the suppression lingers for another 90 minutes after you turn the lights off, meaning you've already missed the critical melatonin production window between 10 p.m. and midnight. Secret number 3. Leaving nightlights or hallway lights on all night. Many seniors keep a small 5 to 10 W nightlight burning because they're afraid of the dark. But a 22-year NIH study of 43,000 women found that sleeping with even tiny amounts of light, as low as 5 lux, increased weight gain by 17%, type 2 diabetes by 33%, and breast cancer risk by 22%, all directly linked to complete melatonin shutdown during sleep. Secret number 4. Using overhead bright lights while eating dinner or relaxing in the evening. Bright overhead lighting after sunset sends a powerful daytime signal to your brain. A 2023 study from the University of Toronto showed that seniors who dimmed lights to under 50 lux after dinner increased nighttime melatonin by 68% and improved deep sleep duration by 41 minutes compared to those who kept bright lights on. Secret number 5. Relying on warm white LEDs that are still too blue, 3,000, 4,000K. Even many so-called warm LEDs still contain enough blue light to suppress melatonin by 30-40%. True melatonin-friendly lighting must be 2,700K or lower and, ideally, amber or red after sunset. Switching to real warm lighting can restore up to 70% of lost melatonin in people over 70 within just 2 weeks. Secret number 6. Waking up at night and turning on bright bathroom lights. A single 10-second burst of bright white bathroom light at 3 a.m. can wipe out 50 to 80% of the melatonin you've managed to produce all night. Install motion-activated red or amber nightlights under 2,000K in bathrooms and hallways. Red light has almost zero impact on melatonin and still lets you see safely. The good news? Fixing these 6 habits is incredibly simple and costs almost nothing. Start tonight. 2 hours before bed, switch all screens to night mode or wear blue blocking glasses. Replace every bulb in living areas with true warm 2200 to 2700K bulbs, or better yet, amber char red bulbs after 8 p.m. Turn off all night lights or switch to red ones. Dim overhead lights at dinner and install red motion lights in the bathroom. Do this consistently for just 14 days, and most seniors report deeper sleep, sharper morning energy, and even noticeable improvements in skin tone and mood. Your body will start producing melatonin like it did decades ago, and the biological clock will begin to reverse. You now know the hidden light traps that have been aging you overnight. Take control tonight. Your longevity depends on it. If you found this information eye-opening, share it with someone you love and subscribe to Senior Health for more doctor-silenced truths about aging gracefully. See you in the next video.